What's that? Yeah, there goes kitties. What about swinging elephant? Swinging elephant. Yeah, let's see. Where are you going? Why are you in such a hurry? Where are you going? Hey, come on back. Brenner. Hi, neighbor's house. Come here. Show me swinging elephant. Like you learned in school today. Yeah, that's right. Swinging elephant. Good boy. Don't touch the flowers, please. Okay, come on back. Come here, my son. Brenner. Brenner. Come here. Come here. Can you smell the flowers? Can you smell the flower? Smell good? Ha ha. Good boy, that's right. Smell the flowers. Hey, don't tear them out. Come here. Have a seat. What'd you step on? Let's see.